Hi fellas, Volvo Velar here. We're going to fix some tires. They're right over there. One was punctured by a screw or something, and the other one that just happened today to my girlfriend's car. I'm now downloading something for my camera. Well, it's actually a companion app which I would be using as a viewfinder. Greetings friends to Volvo Velar Vlogs. Well, like I said before, today we're going to fix some tires. It's not like a fun fix, you know, or a mod that you can talk about the day after. So, what do we actually need to fix this tire? And it may sound very simple, and it actually is, but you better have to find some of these. Alright, so I took out one of the tires that needs to be fixed, and my dad actually already tried to fix it, but the stuff he was using was already really old, and so it seems that really old stuff from this kit can have an expiration date. So it seems, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'll take this tool here and try to, well, scuff it up a bit. Here's the puncture, so you can actually really put your weight in it. So you can see already by looking at the tool that I took a lot of bits out of it that probably will not bond so well. We take this tool and put some material in it, like in the hole right here. Messy stuff. When you take apart this stuff, take care that it's still actually a strand and not pull it apart so it will lose its integrity. So now I pull this one side apart and now we can pull off the entire strand. It was really a pain to get it through, but I actually managed to do it by using some of these hobby pliers. They're really small, and when you can't get a grab on the other end while pushing it through, I think this is going to be it. There's now only a few inches out. Last time I got like a few inches in, and it was like this piece that was sticking out on top. Also got this thing with it. It doesn't fit over this piece. I was thinking that this would be the most comfortable way of not screwing this up, and try to take it out in one firm pull. So the key is to put all your might into it and just pull it out in one go, and lo and behold, it kept on sticking. Remember kids, always cut towards yourself. Right, nearly cut me there. And now we're going to take the lighter and try to smooth it down some more. So we have some rubber cement here, and it needs to be punctured also. Go. Might be way too much, but I don't care. That will be it for our fix. Up to the next tire. So guys, this is the finished results. I actually performed the operation on my second tire too, and it actually went better than the first time. Even though the first result is looking the best, here it really goes along the grooves because the puncture was going diagonal, and I wanted to be sure that it was all closed up. So now I'm going to let the rubber cement dry, and afterwards, maybe tomorrow, I'll put on both of them.